Hey, how's it going YouTube? Josh here with Work Save Bitcoin, channel where we talk about protecting your time and energy by saving in Bitcoin no matter your budget. Today I wanted to talk about why Bitcoin is a lifeboat in a failing economy, looking at the US national debt clock constantly increasing. If you're completely in this financial system, it is extremely daunting, but if you choose to opt out with Bitcoin, then every number the US national debt ticks up is a wave of peace rising over you. The global economy is unraveling, debt is skyrocketing, inflation is eating away at everyone's savings, and people are feeling the squeeze. Governments and central banks print money endlessly, diluting the value of what we work so hard to earn. But there is a way out, a financial lifeboat that protects your time and energy, and that's Bitcoin. The problem with fiat money, inflation isn't just a number, it's theft. Every time new money is printing, your purchasing power shrinks. The rich and politically connected get access to this new money first, while the average person sees prices skyrocket before their wages can catch up. Historically, fiat currencies always fail. Money that can be printed at will always eventually collapse. How Bitcoin preserves your wealth. Unlike the dollar, euro, or yen, Bitcoin has a fixed supply and no one can ever print more of it. Bitcoin is decentralized, meaning no government or central bank can control it, and it's the only form of money that is designed to appreciate always over time. Instead of losing value like fiat, Bitcoin's scarcity makes it more valuable as demand grows. We as humans are a naturally deflationary species. We get more efficient at automating things, so prices should be going down as things become less scarce and easier to produce. There's a global flight to Bitcoin. Countless nation states and countries are rushing to adopt a Bitcoin standard and to opt out of this crazy inflation. The lifeboat is leaving. Are you going to get on, or are you going to stay in this debt fiat system? Bitcoiners aren't speculators. We're just people who want to protect our time and energy by saving with Bitcoin, allowing us to maintain and grow our purchasing power. By saving in a fiat system, you're allowing your time and energy to be siphoned from you. The dollar is like ice cream. Everyone likes ice cream, everyone wants ice cream, but by holding on to it for too long, it's gonna get messy. And the opportunity is still here to accumulate Bitcoin before the masses, but that opportunity won't last forever. So the important thing is just to start today, start with any amount, and start stacking Bitcoin. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And together, let's work, save, and build a brighter future with Bitcoin. See you in the next video.